So I guess we're gonna go without a flashlight.
Yep, we got no choice. Go. Okay, you ready? Fuck. You got one. Mate, don't leave me. Okay. Oh.
What the hell?
Okay. I keep going. He sent me back in the room. Walk away from the door. I'm stuck. Only one of us can go.
What are we doing?
You have to go into that room to flip the breaker on. Oh, shit.
Oh. I don't want to do this. I don't fucking want to do this. I hate this job. I hate this job. I fucking hate it.
I'm fucking
hate
crouching.
this job. I
don't know what it's
hate
gonna
this
do
job.
for me,
I
but...
fucking hate this. It's dark as fuck. Touch the breaker. Touch the breaker. It's not working. That was back here, right?
That was the breaker, right? I thought that was. That's the only room with a breaker.
Okay, I think I fucked everything up. We might blow up in a couple minutes. Don't worry, everything is under control.
Understood.
Okay, so you're supposed to, like, touch the what? I knew it!
Fuck. She's at the fucking door. She's looking straight at me, bro.
She's touching me! She's touching me!
The power's back on now.
Alright. So anyway, I started blasting. He said put the code in again.
Oh. Ooh. Okay.
Holy shit, you did it. Grab the key and
Mate.
open the cellar door. It's time to leave this damned place.
What key? Okay, you ready?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Alright,
Let's
come
do
on.
it.
Let's fucking do it.
Go,
I can't.
go upstairs. Oh, shit.
I knew it. I couldn't get up the
I heard some
stairs.
commotion and noticed the lights going on and off and thought I'd see if you needed help. The
Oh,
door's
sorry.
locked out here. Try and open it up.
Oh, shit, we're about to
Come
fucking
on,
die.
open it up. Open it up. Open
No,
up.
don't.
Open up. Just
Oh, shit.
open up your heart and let the
No. I'm not looking.